Once, he spent his days navigating city streets, delivering packages in the pouring rain, barely scraping by. Every shift felt endless, and each delivery was a reminder of how far he was from his dreams. Today, that same man commands a thriving business, celebrated for his innovation and leadership. The transformation is striking, raising the question, how did he rise from the depths of struggle to the heights of success? This journey, marked by resilience and ambition, is nothing short of remarkable. Our story begins with Alex, an everyday individual whose life follows a familiar routine. Each morning starts with the same alarm, the same commute, and the same tasks at work. Alex's days blend together, marked by a sense of monotony and a longing for something more. Despite this, Alex's experiences and feelings are ones that many of us share, making their journey both relatable and deeply human. This ordinary existence sets the stage for what lies ahead, inviting us to connect with Alex's world. The protagonist's world is abruptly turned upside down when he loses his job. The news comes without warning, leaving him stunned and overwhelmed by a wave of uncertainty. Suddenly, the stability he once relied on is gone, replaced by the daunting prospect of financial insecurity. As the reality of unemployment sinks in, he grapples with shock and fear, unsure of what the future holds. This pivotal moment marks the beginning of a challenging journey ahead. At his lowest point, he found himself behind the wheel, navigating city streets as a delivery driver. Each shift felt endless, the monotony amplifying his sense of hopelessness. The struggle to survive weighed heavily, as every order delivered was a stark reminder of how far his circumstances had fallen. He grappled with uncertainty, questioning whether things would ever improve. The emotional toll was profound, leaving him feeling isolated and adrift in a world that seemed indifferent to his hardships. In a pivotal moment, an inspiring story or video captures attention and resonates deeply. The message is clear and powerful, revealing that transformation is within reach for anyone willing to try. This realization breaks through previous doubts, replacing uncertainty with hope. Fueled by this newfound belief, a strong sense of determination emerges, setting the stage for meaningful change. Driven by a desire to master online marketing, the protagonist spends countless nights immersed in study. Despite facing repeated setbacks and failures, their determination never wavers. Each obstacle becomes a lesson, fueling their resolve to push forward. Through trial and error, they gradually build a deeper understanding, refusing to let frustration or fatigue hinder their progress. This relentless pursuit of knowledge shapes their journey, laying the foundation for eventual success. After weeks of hard work and anticipation, he finally receives the notification of his first online sale. The moment is electrifying, filled with a sense of accomplishment and relief. Seeing a real customer choose his product validates his efforts and confirms that his idea has potential. Excitement rushes in as he realizes this milestone marks the beginning of something bigger. The initial success fuels his motivation to continue growing and improving his business. As he embarks on building his own brand, the pace of change accelerates. His dedication and innovative approach lead to remarkable financial growth, opening doors to opportunities that once seemed out of reach. With newfound success, he embraces a lifestyle defined by freedom and fulfillment, enjoying the flexibility to pursue his passions and spend time with those who matter most. The transformation is evident not only in his achievements, but also in the confidence and satisfaction he now experiences. Perseverance is the driving force that transforms dreams into reality. No matter where you begin, the decision to keep moving forward, even in the face of setbacks, can reshape your entire life. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Remember, Anyone can change their story by refusing to give up. Let today be the moment you start your own journey toward a brighter future.